right? That sucker's sharp. Welcome to the Humboldt Axe YouTube channel. I'm Doc, and this time John Stedman reached out to me to get him an axe built, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you through the process, and it's a winter day here in Humboldt, so stay tuned, hang with me, and let's get to it. So I've been making axes for a number of years, and then I started this channel just to sort of share what I do, and I've gotten to meet a lot of good people, and John Stedman's one of them. He's over in Chico, and he reached out to me and asked him if I can build him an axe on a council bit, a jersey with a 28-inch handle. Pardon me. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'll take you through the process here, but I love making axes. I actually retired a few months back, and but I went back to work because I got called and got an offer I just couldn't refuse. So I'm blessed with a good job, and I appreciate it. And so I've been making axes as I get time, and I love doing it. So this one's for John, and he's giving me another break to do what I love to do. So I'm going to take you through the process. Probably going to do some time lapse, and I enjoy it. So let's take a ride. Man, right? That sucker's sharp. Well, this one is another one down. So I'll be seeing you, John Stedman. Rigo's gonna dig it, man. I promise you that. All right. Chico, here I come.